This is a very good sign. Oh! Hi everyone, Dimitri's here. Today I'm this beautiful location right here, 3 hours away from my house. We're gonna cook a very nice recipe. You guys gonna find it weird, I'm pretty sure. And also I'm gonna set up my scope on this rifle right here, MI22. So please stick around and please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. See you around. This is a very isolated area and deep snow and super peaceful. Absolutely amazing. Every time when I come on location, it's very windy over here right now. I don't know how this is gonna play out. I come on location like this, it's very isolated, so that means a lot of animals activity. Bears not so much at this time because it's February, end of February. As you can see, it's a lot of snow. It's not so cold today. It's about maybe 7 degrees. Last weekend it was minus 27. It was brutal. So I have this guy over here for protection, and I have a 22 right over here in case of small animal come around. I'm not planning to hunt, I'm not planning to shoot, but yeah, I have this guy over here, 6.5 Creedmoor. As you can see, is heavy duty. It's the scope, it's for really far. I can shoot 900s very easy. And I have this 22 right here. It's very beautiful gun, very easy to shoot. Obviously 22s are very light, no kick at all. I have all the bullets. The more intimacy you have with your weapons, the better. You know what to do, you know what not to do, how to load them, how to unload them in a safe way. Look at this. Look how you guys can see it right now, right? Like, this is the size. Obviously this is the only thing that goes in, right? How much powder goes in here and how much powder goes right here. So yeah, impressive. 22, 6.5 Creedmoor. Look, if you compare that to my finger, it's like, it's incredible. We're gonna get this baby loaded. It's bright. It's annoyingly bright Most of you, or some of you guys know that I used to work for the UN. I was a gunnery sergeant. What I'll do in a situation like this, I leave the rifles always loaded, because it's nobody here. I am far away, at least a good 3 hours away from home. So then if something happened, you're on your own. Like I have, well, let me show you guys something. So this guy here, it's my my battle vest. I never really used this guy in battle, but it was similar vest. This is my radio communication right there. It goes to the back. Then I can, if I have to call my units or call a rescue, call for, somebody to come pick me up and get me out of trouble. So all my medicals are here. If I get hurt, it's all right there, right? So this is for keep you going. Obviously this guy's over here, it's maybe the most important part. So he goes 4 inside this little bag right here. And then listen to this. Right? It's just like bing. We're just gonna shoot for fun. The sun right behind me. It's like we're gonna make a fire right here. I already found this place, so probably somebody came around and made a fire right here, which is awesome for me. I'm gonna cook in the back of my truck today. I didn't bring any gear. Here we go. I know. Leave a comment below, please. Ooh, some of you are gonna say, is he grating the chicken? You bet I am. Stick around. It's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. Always a nice pinch of olive oil, salt and pepper. Any situation I always have with me inside my truck. Potato goes in. This is my Japanese knife that I got from this place right here in Calgary, Knifeware. Look how beautiful this is. I'm gonna put some cheese on top. Just the green onion. Super simple recipe and delicious. One thing that's very dangerous in this part of the country, cougars. Yeah, but I think we're good. Well, I have my buddy right there, just in case. Very crunchy on the outside, and very smooth and delicious on the inside. It's like a chicken pie. I'm gonna make a fire pretty soon. It's a butane gas, and I have an idea. So while I was getting the fire going, I had an idea to make something to go boom. So yeah. So we're gonna fire a few rounds for test. Oh, look how beautiful this is, guys. I'm gonna place this bottle right here, and then I'm gonna shoot a few times just to practice. Oh yeah, I pretty much hit all of them, right? This is the entrance right here. So this last one here is the one that dropped the bottle. So I aim higher because I want the bottle to jump. Let's do this. Okay, I have an idea for something to go boom, but I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you. Ready? I'm ready. Wow, I really hope you guys enjoyed just as much as I did. It was awesome. It didn't go boom. It didn't go boom, guys. That was awesome, right? So thank you very much for subscribing. Thumbs up, 70,000. Love you all. See you guys next time, and let's make some nice food next time and maybe have something to really go boom. See you guys next video. Ciao.